Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're ready for an unforgettable adventure, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm taking you on a cinematic journey through the breathtaking Dominican Republic. First up, let's dive into the crystal clear waters of Punta Cana. Imagine yourself lounging on those white sandy beaches with the sun kissing your skin and the rhythmic waves lulling you into pure bliss. Can you feel the tropical vibes already? Now let's head over to the vibrant city of Santo Domingo. The streets are alive with the beat of merengue, the scent of delicious street food, and the colorful markets that are simply bursting with life. Don't you just love exploring new cultures and discovering hidden gems around every corner? Speaking of hidden gems, we can't miss out on the lush greenery and majestic waterfalls of Jarabacoa. Picture yourself hiking through the mountains with the sounds of nature all around you and then cooling off in a refreshing waterfall. It's like a scene straight out of a dream. And for those of you who crave a bit of adventure, Cabarete is the place to be. Known for its world-class kiteboarding and windsurfing, this coastal town is a haven for thrill seekers and beach lovers alike. Just imagine the wind in your hair and the thrill of riding the waves. All right, travelers, I hope you enjoyed this cinematic journey through the Dominican Republic. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel diaries and epic adventures. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like.